All right, so I got a little bug up my butt. It's still Thanksgiving, and I decided I was going to get some lights and stuff out here so I would have something to do later on the night. And then I started moving things around and cleaning things up. And so I figured I would just start a little early on tomorrow's video. I'm going to get that counter over here, get a couple of lights across the top up here. I'm just going to zip tie them up because I need to be able to come out here and work. And if I can't see, then I can't really work. Now, what did I do with the zip ties? I lost them. Oh, here they are over here. Okay. So I think I can reach this. Yes, I can. So I'm just going to grab a couple of zip ties, and then I'm going to start the process of dumping all tools on this table as I go. You know how that goes. You can never find them when you need them, so you start now putting them where you want them, and maybe you get lucky. So let's start with this right arm is killing me. See if I can find us a good place to work from today. Not particularly sure of these shelves here. They don't look particularly stable, but maybe they're good enough to hold my camera. Let's see. There we go. That'll work. For a little while anyway. All right. Welcome back. It's the next day. It's the day after Thanksgiving. It's Friday morning. I don't know, 8 o'clock or so. And today I'm just going to, I want to clean all of this side, start getting some of these walls and stuff cleaned up. So I'm just going to start with this garbage in here and see how much of this I can get out of here. And then from there we can see how much of this we can get rearranged.
Okay, I would say that was a remarkable time saver.
This thing is old. It's ragged. But it worked. That's all that really matters. This thing held up really good. It was pulling about 1400 to 1500 watts while that thing was running. Looks like we have a starting point. So welcome to the new solar shed. My name's Matt. We're going to build this into a solar shed. All of the solar connections and all of that will be handled on the solar channel. But I'll do all the building here, get the construction done, the prep work leading up to it and everything. Some of the content may be over there. Some will be here. It depends on if it's specifically related to the solar. Everything in this shed is ran off grid, starting here with this small inverter from EcoWorthy, 2000 watt inverter from EcoWorthy, and a little 200 watt or 195 watt bifacial panel. So now we can start to put things back together. The important thing is to get up and operating. We have the winter months coming, so we're not going to really need air conditioning for a while. But the idea would be to get the insulation up on these walls here, get the sheetrock done, and I'm hoping to either put a mini split here or a window unit in down here. I don't know which yet. I'm hoping for a mini split here would be my ideal situation. But that means I have to do something with these doors. This door is still open, no door, and this rickety old garage door isn't going to work. So anyway, this is the day after Thanksgiving. I am very thankful for all of you watching, and I hope to see you on the next episode.